G'day mates, today I'm gonna tell you what is crypto mining and how to make money on it. Let's start. Any cryptocurrency is a decentralized network of transactions for the exchange of assets. To create such a network, the use of computing power and the involvement of certain resources are required. Since in such a network there is no main center that would manage the process, it is necessary to interest the network participants with some kind of rewards. Therefore, in the first network, Bitcoin was made a network currency which simultaneously serves as a means of payment and a reward for those who support such a network. Network support consists in confirming transactions by combining them into blocks and calculating the key, hash, of such a block. The block key doesn't allow changing the block information in the future, which excludes the possibility of forging transactions made in a block. The block key must have certain properties. Its first characters are zeros. Finding or calculating a key with the given parameters doesn't happen instantly. It is necessary to generate many keys to get the given one. But that's not all. After generating the key, it is necessary to receive confirmation of the fidelity of such a block from other network participants. Confirmation consists in checking the block key. At least 120 confirmations must be received on the Bitcoin network. Such confirmation is another degree of protection against corruption and additional verification of data on the network. This is exactly the point of cryptocurrency mining, but the above described mining process is called proof of work. This method is classic, but very costly. For uniform growth of network and the involvement of new participants, with the aim of its stability, the complexity of calculating the block key increases. This generates an increase in competition among miners. The costs of miners, or network participants, are in the purchase of high-performance equipment and the cost of electricity for its operation. Thus, each new Bitcoin has real material resources under it, which is finite. It takes time to compute for the new coin to be created. It also requires the equipment and electricity. How does cryptocurrency mining work? Initially, mining, transaction confirmation, could be done on an ordinary personal computer. Then, for calculations, they began to use graphics cards that had a graphics processor for outputting data. But the increase in computer power requirements has led to the emergence of specialized devices called ASICs, application-specific integrated circuit. Although, in fact, equipment for mining cryptocurrencies is not microcircuits, but whole specialized devices designed to calculate keys for blocks. Miners assemble such devices into farms where hundreds of such devices can be used. In addition, to obtain efficiency in their work, miners are combined into pools. Computations are distributed across the network among miners, which increases their productivity. In general, mining is a very interesting social phenomenon. Most likely in the future it will be possible to calculate not only the keys for the blocks, but also to do other more complex and necessary calculations. Mining is a way to make money on cryptocurrency, along with the speculation, investment and raising money through ICO. Such earnings depends on the cost of extracting the next coin. There is an element of risk here due to the high volatility of cryptocurrencies, but at the same time, good opportunities are being created in terms of payback. We're talking about months usually and not years, as in ordinary business. I hope this video was helpful to build a basic knowledge of what is crypto mining. If so, hit a like button, leave a comment and subscribe for more useful videos about crypto world. I also invite you to join our Telegram channel with the announcements of the opportunities to earn money on crypto. For example, I have posted that the token of BuySwap project was 30 cents and that it was the time to buy it, and now this token costs more than 70 cents, so it could more than double your investments. I'll leave a link to my Telegram in my description below. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.